I'm Bob Wittstein, the CIO at Bentley University, and this is Erica Powell-Burson, our Chief Information Security Officer. Mondays can be tough, but it's a real doozy when a staff member, a student, and a professor get tripped up by cyber criminals.
Cyber potholes litter the information superhighway. Let's see what can happen when we use weak passwords, click unwisely, or download a sketchy app.
Okay, thanks, Maureen. All right, bye.
Oh, good morning, Phoebe. Thank you so much for sending out those cabinet minutes so quickly and for rescheduling my meeting with Anne. Could you go ahead and upload those minutes to our SharePoint site? Oh, and please call Maureen Forrester because I need that finance report within the hour.
Already done, President.
Great. Another seamless Monday.
Hi, Phoebe. I'm Dan from Client Services. We've just received an alert that your computer has been compromised.
What? I'm so careful with the emails and phishing. I don't know what happened.
You didn't, by chance, share your account information with someone from Nigeria?
Do you think she's a spy?
I don't know. No.
Do you happen to share your password across websites? Do you use strong passphrases?
Well, maybe.
I need you to call the help desk so we can take care of your computer. And also, there's a link here for some good cybersecurity tips.
Hey, did you hear that Sally just got fished for $1,000?
How is she gonna bring that news to her parents? And speaking of, I think there's a Bank of America fish going around that looks so real. I almost fell for it because that bank's there.
Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Wait. Tim is coming.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
My credit card just got declined for a $6 purchase.
It sounds like phishing. You should call your bank like right now.
Wait, or go to the help desk to detect for malware.
Yeah.
Malware?
Yeah, it's like a keystroke logger thing that captures your password.
Or ransomware.
Oof.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon. Hey, Prof, I just emailed you another file. You have to open it and check it out. It's hilarious.
Last one was pretty funny, so let's check it out.
That's ransomware!
Shut off your computer right now. You gotta turn it off. Just unplug it.
That is really serious. You should really go to the help desk for scanning.
And a loaner laptop.
Whoa, case of the Monday blues ×3. Let's get to work.
A bumpy Monday, but we learned a few things.
Strong passwords. I recommend a passphrase, like a lyric from a song. Well, I know what's right. I got just one life.
So, click wisely and pause to check over the email sender, links, and attachments.
Security doesn't automatically happen, so choose apps from reliable sources and make sure your versions are up to date.
Security is in your hands.
Strong passwords.
Click wisely.
Download and
update.